Welcome back to part 3 of the Cummins build of my F350. So we finally got the correct clutch back, the clutch disc and pressure plate from South Bend Clutch. They were super awesome to work with. They basically explained everything to me, and they even said I could use the flywheel that I have right now since it's gonna work just fine. I was gonna have to get a different flywheel, and then I have to get a starter spacer, but I talked to the guy and he said I could still use this one that I have here from the other kit. So that's awesome. I just test fit it, and the new clutch disc does fit on the input shaft. So we're in good shape there. So today I'm gonna try and get the flywheel and the clutch disc and everything on. The goal for today is to have the transmission and the engine together. So let's get straight into it. Daniel?
Straight again.
Okay, ready? Oh yeah!
Synced up.
Nice. Perfect. Get some of that.
Oh, one step closer to getting this thing in.
Here it is, all put together. That was a huge pain getting out on there, and I thought I could do that myself, and I'm glad that I didn't try, because that would have been a disaster. Okay, so now this is where the real work starts. We've got the engine and transmission all put together, and all of the engine mods and things that I needed to do are finished. The clutch and the flywheel are installed. I got all these bolts torqued to spec. So now it's time to start pulling the engine out. Let's get started. So I just wanted to catch you guys up to speed. I've been working at this all day, Sorry I haven't recorded as much, but I figured you guys would probably get bored with every little detail, so here's just a rundown of what I've been doing. So my goal here is to get this whole entire core support out, so it's easier for one, get the engine out, and two, get the engine and transmission in. So I've pretty much got everything out of the way. I've got the AC condenser up and out of the way, the wiring harness up and out of the way, and the radiator, all that stuff is out. So now I just have two big bolts down here that I need to pull out that are holding the radiator, the core support in there. I have a feeling that they're going to give me a lot of issues. Hopefully they don't break, and hopefully I don't have to cut them. But let's try it and see how this goes. Core support is out. Finally. This was a lot of work, actually. Surprisingly, a lot of work. I thought it was going to be a lot easier to take out, but nope. But now we can start focusing on getting everything disconnected so we can pull the engine and transmission. That's going to be for another day, though, because I've been working on this all day. So I will see you guys, like... Mom's out of battery. I undid a clip, but this is what it's been like for us for the last 30 minutes. We've had to climb inside the engine bay and get stuff out. We're working on the gas lines right now. Luke is so close, but it's giving him the beans. So far we have the drive shaft disconnected. That was fun. Apparently dirt can be welded together. Yeah, so we're just working on the fuel lines, and then we're gonna do the exhaust, and then we should be able to lift it out once we disconnect the engine mounts. Here we go!
Turn your music off so you don't get copyrighted.
Zimsted? Siri! Hey Siri! Shh!
Ready? Yep. You're about to come off the jack, just so you know. Yep. You're about on that engine mount.
Should we let it fall off the jack?
Yep.
Yep. Good.
I mean, it's just like on the engine mount. And that's out. Ready? Did you hit that record button? Woo! Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Did it! Oh no! I thought that was coming, but not that fast. Oh, have mercy! Great heavens! Don't just stand there, get it under! Oh no! There's no way I couldn't get that. Oh, I need to go think about my life. Get the kitty litter. It looks like we sacrificed a goat on your driveway to get your motors out.
Wrong.
We're just baptizing it in the ATF. Go up a smidge. Here comes slide. Oh, no, go up. I was not ready. Go up. There's ready, and then there's whatever the hell I just was. Go like up with the jack.
Alright, the engine's out. A huge thank you to Lane and Hap. I definitely couldn't have done this by myself. This thing was a pain in the butt to get out of the truck. But we finally got it out. We had to cut the exhaust on both sides, so it's cut here on the exhaust manifold. Oh, there's a huge crack in this manifold. Wow. Anyways, and then Lane had to get in and basically deadlift the transmission out. So thankfully now this is out. I'll bring you guys over here so I can show you what we have to do now. Okay, so next steps are, first of all, I want to clean this whole thing because it's disgusting. As you can see, there is a leak here. I want to say it was either power steering or oil. It was one of the two. So I want to deep clean all of this here to get it ready for the 12 valve. And I also need to get the new motor mounts on here to accept 12 valve. The other thing I need to do is get down here into the trans tunnel and knock out, there's a plate down there. There's another plate that's right here that's for the transfer case controls. I need to knock both of those out so they can accept the controls to go in when they're installed. So that's going to be it for this part of the 12 valve Cummins swap. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a huge undertaking, and the more I work on it, the more I realize how much work it actually is, which is fine because it's helping me and it's working towards a dream that I really want to achieve. So stay tuned. The next episode we'll probably start cleaning up the engine bay, getting everything ready, and then we may even start dropping in the engine just to test fit it. So we'll have to see what happens. But stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.